Luigi! Oh, what? Oh, hey Mario, what's up? Oh, nothing much. Look what I just got. A box? No, it's a package. Oh, cool. What'd you order? Okay, I'll show you. Here, let me get it out of the box. Wait, Mario, before you do anything, how much was it? About like $16,000. $16,000. And where did you get the money to buy that? Definitely not from your wallet definitely not from your wallet. Well, I'm gonna check my bank account. Wait, don't do that! Why, Mario? I thought you said you didn't get it out of my bank account. Well, that's when you're wrong. I didn't get it out of your bank account. I got it out of your wallet bank account. Wait, what? Oh, wait, I didn't say anything. I knew it! Let me see how much you took it out, because you might have took it actually way more. Right? Mario? Yeah? Why is my mansion up for sale? Oh, because you didn't have enough money, so I had to sell your mansion. Some person must have... Mario, what the frick? That mansion was worth trillions of dollars. How much did you sell it for? 500. Mario, what the frick? That thing is a $1 trillion mansion, and you gave it to someone for 100, 500, 400, I don't know. But let me look. It's definitely worth $16,500. Look. Wait, so you sold my mansion for $500, but you also took $16,000 out of my bank account. Wait, where'd you even buy that's worth that much? I'll show you. This thing. Mario, there is no way that PlayStation 4 controller is worth 16. I'ma stop you right there. This PlayStation 4 controller has been modified to control literally any character in existence. Any video game character, Mario characters, literally any character in the world that's in real life. There is no way that is possible. No, it's possible. Here, I'll show you. Here, all you have to do is type it in. It's this little thing. Here, I'm going to type it in now. Luigi. And enter. And then send. Alright, it should send. I'm going to point in your direction. It should send you, your brain, a little transfer thing so I can control you. Mario, there is no... What the frick? Why can't I move? Ha! It worked. Here, I'm gonna tell you to go forward. The heck? What am I doing? What the frick is happening? I'm scared! There's this thing called teleport. They do. Beep. What the frick? Mario, what are you Hey, oh, I'm back. Well, thanks. But I still can't move. Let's see what other things I can do with this. What does this say? Like, factory reset. Mario, don't touch that! Don't touch that! I don't know what it does, but don't touch that! And I don't know, it might like reset my memory so I wouldn't have any memories. Well, okay, Luigi, I won't touch it. Jeez. Ooh, jump button. That's really cool, Mario, but please let me go. Well, I can't let you go just yet. Ooh, a sprint button. Beep. And then go forward. Mario, let go of that thing! Mario, let me stop it! No! Mario, stop it! Okay, I'll try. God, I'm safe. I think I'm safe. Slipping. Because if I back that nose is in the way. No. I'm slipping. Ah! Oh no! Jump! Mario, stop it! Mario, no! Mario, What? Oh, thank God you're all right. Phew. Well, better disconnect. Beep. Whoa, Mario! Get back here, you little freak! I'm out of here. Mario. There you are. 5 minutes later. Luigi, why do you have to beat me up all the time? You're a bad brother. I have to hide this from Mario. Just push down on this. There we go. Alright, now I gotta hide this thing from Mario. Where will I hide it? In the closet. I'm going over there. Alright. There we go. Alright. Now where would I hide it in here? Mario doesn't like this closet. It always wants to be locked. So how about I put the controller in there and lock it at the same time? There we go. Locked. Alright. Well, time to leave. Take a nap. I think I'm gonna go take a nap.